Good day, everybody. This is part-time senpai. I'm now on my way home after a day's work. Today, I want to talk about my recent Ducati Diavel review with Farhan and Zar. I'll put the link of the review in the description below. First of all, a very big thank you to Farhan and Zar for taking the time to do this review with me. I'm actually the one contacting them to do the review. Reason being, I felt that the Ducati Diavel wasn't represented, so just help them out a bit. There are a lot of people out there who wants to know what owning the Ducati Diavel feels like. I hope it answered some ownership questions regarding Ducati. So very big thank you to Farhan and Zar. I would like to address some comments regarding the video. First of all, I still like the XXR 900. Don't get me wrong, I still love the XXR 900. I chose the Diavel over the XXR 900 doesn't mean the XXR 900 is not a good bike. I still think it's a fantastic 3-cylinder. If my finances are good, I hope to be able to own one in the future. I bought my Diavel 2 years ago. It was brand new at a very good deal. COE was 3K. I wouldn't say it's a no-brainer, but it swayed my decision over buying an XXR 900. And speaking of which, Ducati is one of my dream bikes to own, or dream brands to own. Doesn't matter which Ducati, as long as it's a Ducati. And I understand that Ducati might not be every rider's dream brand. I was overgeneralizing, and I apologize for that. I don't mean any disrespect to any riders out there who don't ride a Ducati. Okay, I think whatever you ride, as long as you are riding, to me you are cool. I know that there are a lot of questions regarding my Diavel, and I'm also trying to answer everything that I can. Maybe it might have come off as a little bit arrogant. If I do, I apologize for that, and I hope that you don't think Ducati owners are arrogant people. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to say regarding the video. And again, please like, share, subscribe to Farhan's page. I'll put the link down in the comments below. And really a very big thank you to Farhan and Zar for taking the time out during this pandemic to do a video review, or owner review, or honest review as they will call it, with me. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.